more and more of your buyers are starting their research in AI tools now. They aren't just using Google. They'll go and ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google's AI which brand to go with. And those tools tend to recommend the brands they keep seeing across the internet, from news articles, YouTube videos, podcasts, as well as blog posts. So if you want the AI to recommend your brand, you have to show up in the places that it pulls from. And the fastest way to do that is through AmpCast AI. It takes one topic and turns it into 8 formats published across 300 plus websites in literally 20 minutes a day. I'm Sen from AI Academy, and what I just described is called MultiCasting. It's how you get AI to start recommending your brand. Now, first, I need to explain why your brand is invisible to AI. Last year, something big changed in the internet. However, a lot of brands still haven't caught up. And that's exactly why I'm making this video about AmpCast AI. Now, we actually open to the public this month, and you can actually access it through the launch link down below. And this tool is really important because search used to be simple. You'll just rank on Google, people click, and you'll get your customer. But now more of that research is starting within the AI tools. So if your brand isn't getting picked up by this AI tool, your customer is going to go towards the competitors that are. And today's day and age, fewer people are willing to scroll through loads of different search results as well as articles just to find any information. In fact, when Google shows an AI answer, the number one result loses about 58% of its clicks. So ranking number one isn't as effective as it used to be. Now, it still does help, but relying on SEO alone won't win you customers anymore. What wins, however, is being the brand the AI recommends over everyone else. And that's why you need to understand what AI actually cites. You see, when AI recommends a brand, it's usually not even quoting that brand's own website. Your own website is just a small slice of what the AI actually cites, because the rest comes from other places it already trusts. And these are places like YouTube, Reddit, and other social media platforms. In fact, YouTube was the most cited source in Google's AI answers. After that, it's news sites, podcasts, big publishers, as well as community platforms. And the more places and formats that you show up in, the more the AI recommends you, even over bigger competitors that are outspending you. So the fix is being everywhere LLM models look. And to do this, you want to make sure that your content is being posted as videos on YouTube, articles on a news site, episodes on a podcast app, as well as posts on any social media platform. But of course, that's a whole bunch of different content. And if you had to do all of that by hand or by yourself, that's a massive task built for a content team and weeks of work. And that's exactly why AmpCast AI is what you need. It's the tool that's optimized for multicasting. You just give it one topic and it turns that single topic into 8 different formats. It'll create a news article, a blog post, an interview style podcast, as well as infographics, flip show slideshows, any short form reels, as well as long form videos, and a batch of social media posts. And each one is written and styled for the platform that is going on. And even better, it will literally publish all this content for you. It will do this completely for free to your own websites and socials without using any credits. And it will also post on its network of 300 plus authority websites, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, on Pinterest, LinkedIn, Fox affiliate news sites, and hundreds more. These are places that pull over 100 billion visitors a month. So that one idea that you have can actually end up everywhere that it needs to be. And you only need to make it once with this tool. Here's how it works. Your input only takes a couple of minutes. And after that, the platform builds everything in the background. And the whole daily workflow comes to literally 20 minutes a day. You hit create, pick your company and choose a topic, or let AmpCast topic tool find one that your buyers are already searching for. You then point it at the page that you want to promote, or you give it a source or two to pull real facts from. And then you just select one image for it to use. Then you hit generate and your part is done. AmpCast AI goes off and builds all 8 formats in the background, and it fact checks and rewrites any issues and mistakes. Then when it's ready, you can tweak anything. For example, the podcast script, the voices, the video scenes, anything. Then once you're ready, you just hit publish. AmpCast also has a dashboard that tracks your AI mentions, so you know exactly how often it shows up in ChatGPT, as well as Google's different AI models. And it's right next to your search and social media traffic on the dashboard as well. So you're no longer publishing and just hoping that you get customers. You can actually see whether the AI is starting to mention you a lot more, which is the whole point of this whole video and tool. Now, Amplifier is the company behind AmpCast, and they share some strong numbers. Their main case study is an e-com brand that was spending around $5,000 a month on content. And after 15 months, that spend generated $1.8 million in revenue in the last 6 months alone, which is a 61.5x return on the content spend. Bear in mind, their competitors are literally spending hundreds of million dollars a year on advertising alone. Another case study was an HR software platform that went from 0 to 1,000 clicks a day in 30 days. These clicks are worth around $50,000 a month in traffic. Now, of course, nothing is guaranteed at the end of the day, but you can see how having a tool like this can give you massive leverage, especially in today's day and age where content marketing rules. With AmpCast, the AI rewards real, useful, specific content. It can also work alongside any ads that you're running, so you don't need to pick one or the other. You can literally do both. Your ads will create the demand, and this content is what the buyer finds when they go and research you, which just allows your ads to convert better. Now, this is probably the fastest way I've seen to get your content everywhere. So if you're a founder, a marketer, or you're running a small team, and you know that you should be making videos, articles, and podcasts, you just don't have the hours or the people, AmpCast is built specifically for you. It has the reach of a content team without needing and paying for a content team. But if you've already got a full media department and you're pumping out content everywhere, then you probably won't need it. AmpCast AI opened to the public this month, and the link down below gets you the launch deal and first access. So, if you want to start showing up in AI answers before your competitors do, make sure to check it out. The links down below are affiliates, and they help us keep making videos like this at no extra cost to you. So if you use them, thanks a lot. I'm Sen. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.